Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you start to go through the Alipay and start to use it on China. That is about to be helpful through this kind of thing that is going to be related to this video. So let's find out, guys, how we can start to go through what is going about here, about what is going to be here, so what we would like to do and how this is about to be related, so what we would like to think for it, how to open Alipay and go to me or go to settings, then click on bank cards. Then you can start to click on the plus icon to add new bank card, add your card. And then about to see that to enter your card number, that about to enter your mobile phone number, register it with your Chinese bank account. Read the service agreement and then create agree and link. Enter the application that is about to be here through that. Thank you for watching.